How to share screen on Discord mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to share your screen on Discord. So before you do this procedure, first of all update your application. For that you need to go to Google Play Store and on the search box type in Discord. If you see update instead of open, so tap the update button and wait for the application to be updated. After you're done updating, click the open button and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in, it's going to look something like this. Now from the top left hand side corner, you'll need to open up the server. So once you press the server, you'll be able to see all sort of servers. So it doesn't matter whichever server you use. And after that, you'll be able to see voice channel under it. So go ahead and tap the channel button. Once you've done that, click on join voice. So once you tap on join voices, after that Discord has recently updated the feature. So all you have to do is just tap anywhere near the screen and then swipe up and you'll be able to find the button as share screen. So all you have to do is just tap the share screen button. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to share your screen on Discord. So in this way you can share your screen on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.